Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone and you update iOS 18.1. So this video is very important for you. In this video, we will see how to create memories, movies in photo application, and you can share this movie for your someone special or family member, how to create and what is new and it's really attractive or not. Let's check it out. So let's start as a demonstration. If you want to create a special memories on your someone special or family, it's very easy. First of all, you need to update your latest iOS version 18.1 or 18.2, stable or beta version. Both versions are providing this one in your iPhone, no matter which types of iPhone you are using. And after that, you just simply enter here the photo application. This is my photo application. Here bunch of photos I have, and if you scroll down here, so look at this here, the memory option is available here. So bunch of memories are available here. Currently I have no too much photographs in my mobile because of just couple of days ago I'm purchasing this phone, so I'm not transfer my entire photos here. But apart from that, here small photos are available, some of the memories available here. So some of the memories are available like 2013 to 14, someone special like me and my wife. So here if I create here and look at this here, this is a experience me 2014, the example are providing. You can describe here your memories, otherwise just simply I click here and look at this here, bunch of photos coming together like 2023, 2024, and Rodover is my home address, and boom, the memories are creating. It's very easy. The song is also coming by default. You should change the song also here if you want change, or you want add something new in Bollywood or other songs. So you should select here, and then after done, after everything is fixed, here three dots, and after clicking the three dots here, you can share this movie, send here someone special. The preparing the video 100% complete, the preparing the video are receiving the someone special, and you can create your great impression from the audience. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.